about 5:12 and 5:22. Speedwell between about 5:20 and 5:30, and it looks like it could be impacting you folks at High Rocks Mill anytime between roughly 5:35 and 5:50. Now, I will tell you that there are little popcorn thunder showers out in advance of this main line of showers and thunderstorms. This is the actual severe line of thunderstorms that we are tracking right now. Notice that there are a couple of little popcorn thunder showers out ahead of it. The time that we are showing you on this graphic right here is with this main line of showers and thunderstorms that are severe out across portions of Bland, Wythe, and also Pulaski counties. Main threat with this is heavy rain, which could lead to localized flooding. Also, we're tracking it having a whole lot of thunder and lightning. And in addition to that, we are seeing about 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts in this cell as it again moves to the east-southeast at a clip of around about 25 to 30 miles per hour. And right before we came on here, like 10 to 15 seconds before we started this APPCAST, I want to say a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued from the National Weather Service. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go a little bit further down to the south and show you that, yes, indeed, we do have another severe thunderstorm warning. This one in effect for portions of Grayson and Wythe counties until 5:45. And it's with the cell that right now is mainly in Marion in Smith County. So the cell in Marion in Smith County is moving to the southeast at about 25 to 30 miles per hour as well. Want to read you the verbatim from the National Weather Service with this severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 5:45. Again, it was just issued at 4:59. It is severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wythe and all of Grayson County until 5:45. The storm right now is near Chilhowie, moving to the southeast at about 30 miles per hour. Main hazard is 60 mile per hour gusts. Locations impacted, excuse me, include Independence, mouth of Wilson, White Top, Mount Rogers, and also Speedwell. So again, that is a new severe thunderstorm warning that has just come out from the National Weather Service in effect until 5:45 or for about the next 42 minutes or so for portions of Grayson, Smith, and Wythe counties. So we've got these two severe thunderstorm warnings we are tracking. We also have more heavy rain pretty much right over portions of the Roanoke Valley. Okay, we've got heavy rain right now near Hidden Valley High School, areas right over Cave Spring, areas towards Vinton, over towards William Byrd High School. This was a cell that impacted Hollins and also the Roanoke-Blacksburg Airport not long ago. It has moved to the east-southeast and again is impacting Vinton, downtown Roanoke, also areas near Cave Spring, not to mention areas into Bedford County, say near Stewartsville, seeing some pretty heavy rain right along Highway 24. If you're watching us along Jordantown Road or Goodview Road, rest assured your rain is going to be picking up here very, very soon if it hasn't already. And then we drift a little bit further to the north and to the east, and that's where we have a couple more popcorn thunder showers as we speak. One pretty much right over Livingston and Nelson County, another one right over Amherst and Amherst County. So it's a wet go of it at times along Highway 29, especially when you get into those two county locations being Livingston and Amherst. And then we've got a couple of thunder showers in and around the Lynchburg area, downtown Lynchburg right now, perhaps dry, but we've got a couple of cells over, say, towards Good, working their way closer to Forest potentially here very, very soon, if not impacting Forest right now. So again, we do have these scattered showers and thunderstorms around. All of them are moving either to the east or maybe a slight jog to the southeast at 25 to 30 miles per hour. Certainly going to be dealing with more scattered showers and thunderstorms here for about the next 2 to 4 hours. So do be on the lookout for the potential for more strong to severe thunderstorms impacting portions of the viewing area. Now, there is this line of thunder showers in West Virginia. None of these are severe right now. The bulk of the severe weather has been in far southwest Virginia. And as those cells move to the east-southeast, they will likely be more of a player for folks in the NRV and also perhaps towards south side over the next couple of hours or so. Want to let you know that everybody is under a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 p.m. Okay, that is for every county, every zone in the viewing area. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 p.m. or until canceled. Wouldn't be surprised if this line of thunderstorms gets out of here a little bit early if the National Weather Service cancels this at, say, 9 o'clock. But nevertheless, a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect officially until 10 for everybody in the viewing area. Now, we did issue this Weather Authority alert day a couple of days ago to talk about not only the high heat, but the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms and the potential for some severe weather. Again, will be with us through about 9 or 10 o'clock this evening. Here's a look at the regional view. You need to note that we're not alone. Actually, I have a coastal low bringing some heavier downpours towards South Carolina, but what we're dealing with here is more of a cold front that's going to be swinging through here either late today, tonight, or tomorrow. And what that's going to do is provide us enough lift to kick off these scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the course of the late afternoon into at least part of the evening hours. You need to know that this line doesn't look quite as widespread as the line that we were dealing with yesterday, which means some of us may get through today somewhat unscathed. Most of us saw rain and thunderstorms yesterday. I'm hoping that this line behaves itself a little bit more and doesn't produce, 50 to 60 storm reports like what we had happen yesterday. But nevertheless, these storms are going to come through here and pack a punch with heavy rain, which could lead to localized flooding, also thunder, lightning, not to mention wind and potentially even some hail. Again, main story, cold front pushes through here either tonight or tomorrow. Behind that front, our weather will turn quieter. I want to also tell you that we have a heat advisory in effect from 12 p.m. through 8 p.m. Saturday for most of the viewing area as well. It has been hot today. It has been humid today. But again, the heat advisory will expire at about 8 o'clock. We have had heat indices or feel-like temperatures today in excess of 100 degrees in the Roanoke Valley, also into Lynchburg and parts of Southside. It has felt as hot as 105 in some of our backyards today out in areas east of the Parkway. So it has been so hot, so humid, and with that front pushing through here, it's going to have a lot of juice, a lot of energy to kind of take hold of and allow these storms to pack a punch for us here for about the next maybe 3 to 5 hours or so. Your evening planner showing it's going to be hot with showers and thunderstorms slowly tapering off. Okay, so this evening could be rockier at 7 than it will be at, say, 10. Temperatures at 7 in the upper 80s, falling to near 80 by about 10. Let's talk Sunday. Sunday does not look to be as stormy. Okay, the front that is pushing through here tonight into early tomorrow should be to the south of us for most of Sunday, but it still will be close enough to us on Sunday where it will bring us a chance for some pop-up thunder showers. So again, we will have the chance for at least some hit or miss activity after lunchtime tomorrow, roughly after about 2 p.m. And then by about 8 p.m. these pop-up thunder showers tomorrow will start to taper off. I don't think the coverage area on Sunday will be what it was today, and I don't think the storms are going to pack as much of a punch tomorrow as they are right now. So again, Sunday doesn't look quite as wet or stormy as this afternoon. Temperature starts Sunday off in the 60s and 70s with highs around 90. So we're not as hot tomorrow, still above average for this time of year. Still pretty hot, but not as hot as what we have seen here of late. And late in the day, I wouldn't be surprised also to see the humidity start to drop off just a little bit. So on Sunday, a mix of sun and clouds with pop-up PM thunder showers possible. Let's talk about the upper air pattern as we head into next week, and there is an end in sight to this. There's an end in sight to this stormy pattern. There's an end in sight to this hot and humid pattern. As the jet stream drops to the south behind this cold front, that means by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, we're not going to be as hot nor as humid. And that also means that storm chances are going to drop too. Now, the jet stream that we oftentimes talk about does two different things in our atmosphere. It bisects where there are cooler areas to the north from where the warmer areas to the south. And also the jet stream is kind of the main mode of transportation in our atmosphere. So showers and thunderstorms tend to travel along the jet stream, and with the jet stream to the south of us here early to middle parts of the next work week, that means a lot of the showers and thunderstorms will stay to the south of us. One thing to note though, do you see this heat that is out across the deep south early to mid parts of the next work week? That heat and humidity starts to move its way back to the north by late next week. So although early to middle parts of the next work week look less humid, more comfortable outside, drier, just nicer overall, it looks like by late next week, we're going to start to tap into more humidity, potentially more heat, and the chances there for more showers and thunderstorms by late week as well. All right, current time is 5:10, and joining me is my good friend Lauren. Lauren, are there any questions I can answer? Okay. Complete washout when? Is that for tonight or for tomorrow? Tonight, I think the showers and thunderstorms are going to be maximized. Let me kind of go back here and show you the whole viewing area. That's what I wanted to show you right there. For the next 2 to 4 hours, it's going to be rocky at times. I would say through about 9 or 9:30, maybe as late as 10, we're going to have a good shot for scattered showers and thunderstorms. So I would be certainly weather aware through about 9 or 10. But once we get beyond 10, it looks like we're going to start to dry out. And just like last night, come tonight, we're going to have some patchy fog developing, warm and muggy all night long. But I think the best chance for showers and thunderstorms for us will be between about now and 9 or 10 o'clock. Okay, officially we have the severe thunderstorm watch in effect for everybody until 10. But it looks like the worst of the weather will be with us for about the next 2 to 3 hours. Anything else, Lauren? Giles County right now looks to miss this severe thunderstorm warning right here. Let me go back. Giles is not in the severe thunderstorm warning that we are seeing right here. Okay, so it is for Bland, Pulaski, and also Wythe and Smith counties. As we broaden the scope here a little bit more, you'll notice that in Giles County, which is situated right here, these showers and thunderstorms should miss you to the south. But there are a couple more that are in West Virginia that are dipping to the south and to the east. So these showers and thunderstorms you see here could certainly clip Giles County over the next hour or two. Anything else, Lauren? Yeah, Rustburg. So let me actually zoom into Rustburg. There are a couple of cells in and around Lynchburg. Okay, they're not severe. Nevertheless, they have thunder and lightning with them, but they are not severe. And they are moving to the south and to the east. So it is certainly possible that the cell that right now is near Forest, it looks like that one is moving a little more easterly as opposed to southeasterly. So it does look as though that cell near Jefferson Forest High School may miss Rustburg just to the north, but you'll notice that there's certainly more energy out to the west. So I think Rustburg over the next couple of hours, you'll probably be hit by a thunderstorm or two. I'm not entirely sure that this cell is going to get you because this one appears to be moving like that, but this cell could. The cell that is fast approaching Bedford. Bedford, you're about to be hit with a pretty nasty kind of small thunderstorm within about the next 10 to 15 minutes. That cell may clip Rustburg here within the next hour. Anything else, Lauren? Rocky Mount right now, let's go back and show you the whole viewing area. Oh, go back. I'm hitting the button too many times. Rocky Mount, of course, is situated right here. These showers and thunderstorms in Roanoke should miss you to the north. However, these showers and thunderstorms that are situated out across portions of Pulaski County, eventually into Floyd County, this line of thunderstorms right here may get closer to you folks in Rocky Mount as we get maybe around 6:15. So these cells need to be watched. They may just miss you to the south because they appear to be moving more east-southeast as opposed to due east. But again, that would be the area to watch for Rocky Mount here by about 6:15. Anything else, Lauren? All right, before we go, I want to make sure that I have made sure to mention all the severe thunderstorm warnings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the National Weather Service chat page and just make sure no more severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued. Nope. We've got the one right now in effect until 5:30 right here for portions of Bland, Pulaski, Smith, and Wythe counties. That one in effect until 5:30. Main impact there is some hail and also 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And then we have this severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 5:45 for portions of Wythe and mainly for Grayson counties. Right now, the cell's still over Marion. Marion's being pounded right now with very heavy rain and a lot of thunder and lightning. It looks like that cell is moving to the east-southeast. It will likely be impacting areas, say, near Elk Creek here within about the next 20 to 30 minutes or so. So yeah, those are the only two severe thunderstorm warnings we have right now. Of course, we've got our newscast coming up at 5:15. We do hope to see you then, but if we don't, I hope everybody has a great rest of your Saturday. Please stay weather aware for about the next 3 to 4, maybe 5 hours or so. I would say the severe weather threat ends between 9 and 10 o'clock, and at that point in time, we'll be able to drop the Weather Authority alert day. But keep an eye to the sky here through the early to mid-evening hours. And again, we'll see you back here in about 45 minutes from now with our 6 o'clock newscast. Have a great rest of your day. Be safe out there. We'll see you soon.